In this video, I'll walk you through a clean installation of Windows 11 version 25H2 on your PC. Whether your system is officially supported or not, this guide works for both, so let's jump straight into it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Software Download. Click on the first link that appears. On the page, select Windows 11, scroll down a bit, and under the ISO section, choose the Multi-Edition option. Hit Download Now, then select your preferred product language and confirm. Once you do that, the ISO file will begin downloading automatically. While that's downloading, open a new tab and search for Rufus. Head to the official website, scroll down slightly, and download the standard version. Once both files are downloaded, you can close the browser. Now open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the Rufus executable and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Insert a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Drag and drop the Windows 11 of an ISO into Rufus. Next, choose your disk partition style. Most modern systems use GPT, but if you're unsure or using an older PC, here's how to check. Click Start, search for Disk Management, right-click on your main disk, go to Properties, then switch to the Volume tab. You'll see your partition style listed there. Back in Rufus, set the partition style accordingly and click Start. A tweak panel will appear. If your hardware is unsupported, like missing secure boot or TPM, make sure those options are checked. If you prefer using a local account instead of signing in with a Microsoft ID, enable that option too. You can also copy your current system user, disable data collection, and turn off BitLocker encryption. Now, if you're someone who doesn't store sensitive data on the C drive and often dual boots, like I do, you can safely disable BitLocker. Just remember, BitLocker does add an extra layer of security, so make that choice based on your needs. Once you've applied all the tweaks, click Start. Rufus will warn you that your USB drive will be formatted. Click OK to proceed. This process will take a few minutes. When it's done, close Rufus and File Explorer. Restart your system. During the reboot, press your boot key, usually F12, F9, or ES key depending on your motherboard, and boot from the USB drive. After a few seconds, the Windows installation screen will appear. Choose your language and click Next. If you're more comfortable with the older installation method, you can switch back, but I'll continue with the newer one. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Next. Now comes the important part. Delete the small top partitions and the C drive. If you have other storage partitions, leave them untouched. If not, just follow my method. Delete all visible partitions and select the unallocated space. Click Next. Windows will now begin installing. This will take some time, so sit back and let it finish. Once you see the Windows logo, you'll be asked to select your country. Choose it and click Next. Then select your keyboard layout and skip the second layout option. Now, thanks to the tweaks we applied earlier, you'll see the I don't have internet option. Click on that. Enter your name when prompted. Windows may ask for a password. Feel free to skip it if you prefer. After a few more minutes, the installation will be complete. And that's it. Windows 11 25H2 is now cleanly installed on your system. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned.